In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an eToro demo account. Let's dive right in and get started on this exciting journey. First, you'll want to go to the eToro website. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in the address bar etoro.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the vibrant and user-friendly interface that eToro is known for. Navigating to the website is your gateway to a world of trading opportunities. Now, let's move on to the next step. You need to log into your eToro account. To do this, click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your login credentials carefully. Your username and password are your keys to accessing the platform, so make sure they're entered correctly. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are in a secure environment for all your trading activities. Once you're logged in, look for the Real Portfolio option or your username menu, typically found on the left side of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you will see various options, and you'll want to select Virtual Portfolio. This switch is what transforms your account into a demo environment, allowing you to practice without any financial risk. This step is important because it ensures you are in the correct mode for learning and experimenting. With that ready, you now have access to a virtual account loaded with $100,000 in virtual funds. This is your sandbox, your practice ground, where you can test different strategies without the fear of losing real money. Using a demo account is a fantastic way to build confidence in your trading abilities. After switching to the virtual portfolio, you can start practicing trading risk-free. You can buy and sell virtual assets just as you would in a real account. This is essential for honing your skills and understanding market dynamics. Trading in a demo account mirrors real-world conditions, helping you learn how to react to market changes. Next up, take advantage of the copy trader feature. This allows you to mimic the trades of experienced and successful traders. By doing so, you gain insights into their strategies and decision-making processes. This feature is a powerful tool for learning from the best without any cost. After that, explore investing in smart portfolios. These are diversified collections of assets tailored to different risk appetites and investment goals. Investing in smart portfolios can give you a feel for managing a diversified investment strategy in a stress-free environment. At this point, you might want to test your trading strategies. Experiment with different approaches and see how they perform. The demo account is perfect for this as it allows you to make mistakes and learn from them without any financial consequences. This practice is invaluable for developing a robust trading strategy. Finally, take the time to familiarize yourself with how the platform works. Navigate through its features, tools, and options. Understanding the platform will make your transition to a real account smoother and more efficient. This ensures you are well prepared when you're ready to trade with real funds. Thanks for joining me in this journey today. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the eToro demo account is your starting point. Continue exploring and learning, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident trader.